The View and Chat student engagement tool allows teachers to initiate real-time, moderated text chatting with students during video playback, either in the classroom or at home. To start a View and Chat session for a single video, select the video clip you want and click play. You can pause the video using the player controls, and then click on the View and Chat button. This will open the video in a View and Chat screen with the chat window on the right side and the session number at the top. Your students will join either on their computers or mobile devices by clicking the View and Chat button and entering that session number. Once students have entered the session, you can play your video and engage in a real-time chat discussion of the topic as you all watch.
The center of the Earth is called its core and is made of solid metal that's very hot. The mantle surrounds the core just as the egg white surrounds the
You can
yolk.
also use View and Chat with playlists. Open the playlist you want in Teacher Prep View and you'll see a View and Chat link in the upper right corner. Clicking that link will open the playlist in a View and Chat screen, again with the chat window on the right side and the session number at the top. Students access the View and Chat session in the same way by entering the session number. And you can conduct an ongoing chat as you move through the items in the playlist.
There are more than 5,000 species of frogs and toads, and they come
Note that in all View and
colours,
Chat sessions,
shapes, and
teachers can
sizes.
delete any comments,
Over the years,
and a transcript of the chat will be stored, accessible only by the teacher.